mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Long live! Welcome to my vlog. I'm your teacher vlogger, Teacher Bing Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon. For this very day, I would like to feature the PLDT here in Davao City, sir. Sir Jomar, unsaon man pag-connect, ako gusto na ako mag-connect.
Mag-apply ka, ma'am.
Apply ko sa, asa yung office? Asa yung office, sir? Sa
PLDT, ma'am, pero pwede ra mag-apply sa mga agent mo ko.
Pwede ta katawagon. So okay lang iyan na ko imong contact number dire.
Yes, ma'am, okay ra, ma'am.
Sige. Jomar sir?
Jomar Kiamco, ma'am.
Kiamco. Okay. Yes, sige raw. Unsa man yung number be? Sige daw.
0950-0136-428.
Again, sir? Isa pa.
0950-0136-428.
Okay, kana.
Kung mag-apply ka, ma'am, apply lang sa buhay. Una na yun ato.
Oo, sige kay para na pud kay imo ha. So, actually, dako kayo ako diraos kilang kong pag-load. 300 na ako mahurot dayon.
Apply naman kay na may promo karon 999 ra ang bulan.
Ay, sige.
Pinakababa na siya, ma'am. Unlimited na siya.
I will think over pa wag mo na ngayon. Sige ha. So, thank you. So, unsa yung mga requirements, mga
one valid ID, ma'am.
Bisag unsa nga ID?
Yes, ma'am. One valid ID. Ini primary ID. Tapos, 1 month advance.
Advance pa sa 900.
999 ang pinakababa, ma'am.
Wala na yung requirement, mga kay isaan water bill, wala na?
Wala na.
Ay, salamat.
Valid ID lang siya, ma'am.
Oo. Sige, kato lang, no? How many days ang processing? About
one day process, ma'am.
Ito na mo diri?
One day process, after process, install din naman.
Mao ni lahas akong kapitbahay ron.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Una mo natawdan.
So, ito, let's make a look. Saan na ba yun? Yan yung nila, yung tawag doon, sir? Cable wire?
Fiber.
Fiber? Oo. So, this is the fiber. Disconnected a while ago. Dana ba? Wala pa? So, let's have a glimpse sa fiber. This is the fiber daw. Ang connection ng nila. Yan. Sa itaas. Yan sa itaas. Okay, it was already connected. So this is my picture, my day in Davao City. So mao lang to, sir, may promo.
Promo is, ma'am.
The promo is up to kano saan na?
Up to karong bulan na karong sa signal cable, ma'am, karong 26 ra taman, pero 26. Sa 999 karon ra jud sa bulan taman.
Karong bulan sa katapusan. Sige, oo. Sige, sir, kaloy-an makakuha kong PBB o katong ako ang salary differential. Oo. Napaman ko 5 months. So, pwede. Kaya na kaayo, Sir Jomar. No? So, this is PLDT in Davao. Asa diyan yung opisina. Ang pinakaduol diri sa mo,
Pinakaduol sa inyo sa Bypass Ulas.
Bypass Ulas. One ride ako. Gikan
one ride, yes, ma'am.
Magbaba ako sa bypass.
Yes, ma'am.
Magbayad. Pwede, Gcash?
Pwede Gcash, ma'am. Pwede ra Gcash. Kaya naman tayo website sa Gcash.
Sige. Lang ko no? So, what are you waiting for? This is now the PLDT. Main office?
Main office, PLDT Ponciano, ma'am.
Ponciano, Davao.
Okay. Ponciano, Davao.
Unsay mga mga doon nga mga establishment para madali?
Tapad sa Double Light.
Double Light.
Double Light.
Okay. So, na siya nga PLDT ni. Sige. So, daghang salamat, Sir Jomar, pag-share sa imong time. Paborito po na ko yung okay, I love red. Red akong paborito ang kulay. Sige. Medyo red po ng inyong magamit. Hagdan, di ayan, no? Hagdan? Ladder. Okay, so, thank you for joining me, my mabuhay and mabuhayers. My day in Davao City, right on this Saturday, my Mabuhay channel. Please follow me, sir, Mabuhay channel and Erlinda Rindon. Please look for me on Facebook. Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon with red gown. Katong gwapa, sir, Kung dili gwapa, dili na ako.
Erlinda
Bing Basilio Rindon. Hi, sir. So, nag-picture ako sa inyong PLDT. Okay na?
Basilio Rindon.
Oo. Katong nakapula og gown. Kana ka na.
Ay, gwapa.
Sige ha, i-follow ko, sir, ha?
Automatic.
Oo, i-friend mo ko. Hi, sir. Thank you, the pilot.
Long live.
Long live, mabuhay. Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Yeah, thank you. May bago na akong mabuhay. And the other one, sir, ano ang pangalan, sir? Rinsi. Yung isa. Tatsuki. Ma'am Bing, Ma'am Rendon.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay. Please follow me now. Mabuhay channel.
Mabuhay channel.
At saka Facebook account. I will post now. So this is, that's the long live, mabuhay. So that's PLDT Davao. At least I have inquired about Wi-Fi yun. If you have your TV, the signal is already with this PLDT. You can connect, including Wi-Fi, cell phone, laptop, and everything about Wi-Fi connection. So this is my day in Davao City. Planning to have also my Wi-Fi soon, in as much as there is no makilala cable anymore here. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. I am your vlogger, retired teacher, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon, live and alive here in Davao City, Talomo District, where life is here. Thank you, Kamabuhay, Kamabuhayers, for always watching me, my vlogs, my reels, and my YouTube Mabuhay channel. For those who have not subscribed yet and follow me, please follow me, my Mabuhay channel. The red gown, katong gwapaha nga profile nga pula. Kapag dili yung gwapa, dili ito ako. Okay, so this is your vlogger, Teacher Bing, retired teacher, Ma'am Darna, Ma'am Mabuhay, the selfie queen, the Mabuhay vloggers. I am your vlogger, Teacher Bing, retired teacher, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon, live and alive in Davao City. Until my next vlog, mabuhay, long live, good life, good person, good life, good person, long live. Let me give you these words of wisdom before I end my vlog. If you have not done, if what you have done is not excellent, you have done nothing. Wow, that's it. And God will make a way. Nothing is impossible. God's grace is amazing. Yes, no pain, no gain. Yeah, that's my words of wisdom for today. And I love it. So may I repeat? If what you have done is not excellent, you have done nothing. So make it excellent, everything we do. No pain, no gain. And if there's no picture, if there's no video, it did not happen. There's no picture, there's no video, it did not happen. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Signing off. Thank you everyone, followers, viewers, and my FB friends. Thank you so much. Mabuhay ka, mabuhay, and mabuhayers. Until my next vlog, signing off, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon, Ma'am Darna, Ma'am Mabuhay, Ma'am Selfie Queen, Ma'am Vlogger of the Century. Mabuhay!